I would like to welcome everybody at our today's presentation of the movie The Macedonian. Special welcome to the director of this movie, Mr. Petro Aleksowski, who is here among us. Together with Mr. Josef Maria Telikabras, we have decided to show this film due to its universal values. Even if we do not fully understand all the historic circumstances presented in this movie, I am sure we can understand the human feelings and offer our compassion. The movie presents the subject which is universal: how the war dictates totalitarianism, which make the divisions of our continent, influenced lives of ordinary people, making them unhappy, homeless, deprived of their roots. During the difficult times like today, we should remember how very much peace and solidarity, those major European values, are important for all of us. Let us see this beautiful movie and let us make together the effort to save our common values and save the peace. Now I will pass the floor to Ginter Doven, the director of the EFA office. Okay?